Mag-hi naman kayo.
Hi guys.
Hi. Hello.
Dito lang ako number 1.
Ito lang po. Gusto niyo hawakan to?
Ay, sige po.
Yan!
Future captain.
Ayun, hawak pa yung future captain. Picture ako kaya.
So yun guys. Hi guys.
Sige, go! Parang kaya, dapat mo.
Ano yan?
Sino gusto ng rice?
Ayun, magandang hapon po. Alam ko, isa kang 23 years old na piloto. So, kamusta po kayo ngayon? So, maaari niyo po bang sabihin sa amin kung ano po yung nagaganap yung bakit na nandito itong flight that so, Cocktail is here, syempre, to participate in the event, people want to and of course, to showcase our fleet and to show to the people dito na meron na tayong high school here in Bicol, which is okay, so meron na dito na flying school dito mismo sa Bicol region. Siya pala partner, si Captain Stephanie, so batang-bata nga piloto, 23 years old.
Bye. Daily Joe coffee.
The sweetest coffee ever.
The sweetest coffee ever.
For the sweet tooth guys.
They won! What can you say?
A lot of work. But it was fun.
Ano score mo?
20 over
20!
20-0.
Ikaw sir, ano score mo?
0-30-50.
Yun o, 80!
Sino maganda landing?
Sino pinamagandang landing? Kami!
Pagod. This is us after the event.
5 shades darker.
5 shades darker.
10 times happy.
Yes! Hello! Ano yan? Licensed attorney and now licensed
lawyer and
Naka-video ka yan.
Shoo!
Wow! Grabe naman yun. Hobby nga daw yun.
Hobby nga daw to eh. Hindi daw ano.
Hobby ko yung pagiging lawyer.
Hobby yun.
Wala bang gunting? Sir, meron po kayong gunting? Second day!
Say something. Say something.
Guys, we're here at Old Legazpi Airport. So you can visit our tapos na. Wala naman. Next week na to mapupost.
Anong kulay tayo, Roy?
Yellow.
Yes! Hindi.
Hindi.
Uy, tama na muna. Doon na. 9:30.
Mga ano pa. Thank you po. Ba't Shasta. Coming in now. Alright, who's this?
So we're here at the apron waiting for the afternoon session of the second day of floor bombing, and pretty exciting. Pretty exciting stuff.
Feeling ko dito lang ako. Hindi na kaya ng ating ano. Tingnan nyo naman si Boss Warship, sobrang sipag. Lining up the aircraft in a hot Saturday afternoon. Feeling ko QNH 1001 na. Wala, 1001. Kasama natin yung champion.
Off day
Off
one.
day 1, morning
Morning
session.
Pag umiyak
Si siya, boss.
Pero pag
Oh, si auntie. Init, tostado na ako.
malamig.
Niya na. Oh my God! Medyo mainit sa Pilipinas. Grabe, sipag ni Kapdan! Magkakaroon tayo ng reaction video once nag-start up yung mga aircraft. Kasi may mga graba. Graba ba? Graba? Hangin? Debris. Ayan, yun yung debris. Kita niyo ba? Clear! Honking! Ayun lang. Wow, smooth naman ang 349er. Ayun na! Oh my God! Ba't ako naghihinga ako mga aircraft? Siya yung nag-grab! Sino ang pambato nyo?
Aldrin. Aldrin tayo.
Ano yan?
Ikaw, Sir J.
Pag na may Papa Bear.
Sino yun? Papa Bear, Papa Bear, Papa Bear.
5,000 hours.
5,000 hours. Sige, sige. Ikaw, Sir Jab, sino yung pambato mo dito?
Yan o. Sino manalo?
Ano ba yun? Ayoko na interviewin to. Ano yung Ma'am Shane? Sino yan? 349? Sila Gar. Sila Gar. Tapos ito, sila yung early, ay yung nagbibuild time. Kay Gar ako. Okay, kay Gar ka.
Ayan. Ayun o. May mga short.
Hindi ko na. Baba, gago talaga to sila Matthew. Tingin na 50 feet ang putin. Shit. Mataas.
100 yan.
Bagal ah, 55 feet sa.
100 yan.
Bag! Oh! Wala. Hindi pa siya nasa left. Okay, at power! Okay, climb! Naku po! Naku po! Dabok-dok pa! Yeah! Papa Bear! Pero ang bilis! Bilis niya! Go! Takbak to the third try!
Yan, may
Ay! Oy!
pwede ata.
Feeling ko 30 lang yun. Climb, 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 climb. Yeah. Manok namin, si Gar! Go, Gar! Anis! Oy! Palep, palep, palep. Ganda din. Ay! Ayan. naman ang chief flight instructor. Si Hawa ang Ay! Ganda lahat.
Plane, merong Mount
Isi-screenshot
Mayon.
mo na lang.
Kasama ni Mount Mayon yung Tama po ba? Nagsawa, no? Bicolano doon kunyari. Also, they have messages for you guys.
Ay, nakaka-fresh to. Ang fresh tingnan. Hindi mo handog yun.
Parang gusto ko yung camera.
Diba? Ang fresh.
Parang ganda ng camera.
Diba? Nakaka-fresh.
Hindi mo maamoy yung
Check mo
pawis.
sa laptop, agad tayo na.
Hindi, fresh to.
Sana.
Kapag binlook.
Baka may gusto kayong ipatanong sa Skydivers Land. Parang voice na yan sa nangyari sa from the audience. So, V, let's introduce our skydivers.
Pose, pose, pose. 2, 1, go!
Exactly. That's what I was about to say. Okay, that's my feet. So, for a little bit of context, there is skydiving involved. Yes.
3, 2, 1, look!
Muni-muni sila bigla, no? Napaisip sila. Kasi, o nga naman, nakakatakot nga naman na tumalon na ako.
Yun! Ano yun? Ano yun? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! High five, 1! Sige, go pa, go pa! Wow! Gila, go, tawa lang, fake.
Si Covermore? Ay, sino yan? Kasama mo. Nakaka-fresh to ha, in fairness. Ang fresh. Except sa gitna. Para ganun din. Oh.
Tara na po!
Tara na po. Nasaan sila? Grabe, nakakapagod. Hindi ko na kaya yung life.
Pang mahirap na po!
Sayang, sayang.
Oh, yung upong 5 lang ha. Okay na? Okay, meron pa doon.
Ang ilang box ba ito? 18. Charot. May energy pa mag-joke. Ang daming energy. How to be young. Hi, this is day 3 of Bicolocco. And I'm gonna try the drift car. Yeah. It's my first time. I wanted to try something new. That's why I opted for
a new challenge.
a new challenge. Siya nakangiti siya. Nandito kami ngayon sa likod ng stage. And dito siya sa runway mangyayari. Yung drift and everything. I thought we should be here by 1:15. She texted me. The one from the drift tent, she said 1:15. At the runway. It's currently 1:30 already. It feels so good. Hala siya! Dalawa kayo.
Gusto mo, daling ko yan?
Okay lang. Sige, dali namin.
Fantastic sideways action right there. John Romagano in the first seal.
Thank you! What?
Palikod na lang po.
Sorry, can we take a selfie?
Sure, sure.
Thank you!
Did you enjoy enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
You want to be a drifter now or a pilot?
Nah, I'll just be a pilot. I'll just get my camera. What the frick?
So what were you saying? What were you saying? You want to be a drifter or you want to be a pilot?
I'll just stick to be a pilot.
You want to be a pilot. How was your experience?
It was really thrilling and actually not scary at the same time.
Okay, but you enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's really I enjoyed it. I
She enjoyed it. Thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you.
us. Okay.
I'll just